Relax from head to toe. In our society, we don't know how to relax, so this is something that we need to practice. Greatly beneficial. To start off, standing in the neutral position, bottom heavy, top light. Float the top of your head and breathe in. Exhale, feeling the soles of your feet along the ground. Soften your gaze, and if you feel safe, close your eyes. When your eyes are closed, you can relax more and even alter your brainwaves a little bit if we go into some meditative states. So we can shift our nervous system state and our mental state, brainwave state. Close your eyes if you feel safe. Try to feel your scalp. Place your attention at the top of your head, and using the sense called interoception, the ability to feel inside your body, try to feel your scalp. Notice that area. Try to soften and release tension from that area. Relax your scalp. Move your attention to your forehead. Soften your forehead. Soften your cheeks. Release tension from your jaw, letting your mouth hang open just a little bit. You cannot relax with clenched teeth. This is a good time to breathe in again. And breathe out with a sigh of relief. Take another breath. Breathe in. Relax the whole body all at once as you do a sigh of satisfaction. Move your attention to the back of your head. The base of the skull, where your head meets the pillow. We hold a lot of stress here. See if you can soften those muscles, release the stress. Kind of get the feeling that the stress is just rolling up. Just get the feeling like the stress is rolling off your back, down into the ground. On the other side of the body, relax the throat, the chest muscles, the stomach where we hold so much stress. And as you relax, your body may sway from that lack of tension. But we're in a nice position to sink straight down and use the bone structure to support us. So our body can be, the muscles, the fascia, the skin can be like clothes hanging off a clothes hanger loosely. Relax all the muscles of the back, from top to bottom, especially along the sides of the spine. Get to the lower back. There's all that tension to release there, to soften, to relax, to let go. The front of the hips, the back of the hips, the glutes, soften. Relax the front and back of the thighs. The stress just flows down, releasing the shins and the calves. And then float the top of the head, breathe in. And all at once, with a sigh of relief, relax all the stress flowing into the ground.